Artificial intelligence and big data are already here, but they will be the technologies of the future. Data is going to be in everything, in all the fields of economy, in all the fields of society, all the subjects that the students will study need to have the data. And we need to set up a lot of principles, a lot of new regulations, new legislation, because everything in certain way will change with the influence of the use of data and artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence, we should know, is only at the very early stages of deployment and application. So we only see very task-oriented, small applications. And the main concerns actually consist of large-scale, highly cognitive systems, which are still very, very far away. However, this is very timely to start this debate and start a discussion around what should be regulated and especially how it should be regulated.
When we talk about artificial intelligence or big data or these new technologies, to be sure that those are human-centered.
Yeah, so I'm representing EIT Raw Materials. That is one of the KICs, one of the knowledge and innovation communities financed by the EIT, by the European Commission under Horizon 2020. We're also going to be an integral part of Horizon Europe. And for us, AI and digitalization means, for example, smart mining based on intelligent, autonomous robots that are geared from the surface.
Challenges are much bigger in the raw materials sector, in the mining industry. Things are wet, dusty, hot and explosive, so it's slightly more challenging. Nevertheless, we are making good progress, and I'm here to present some projects and show the progress and illustrate that the money funded by EIT Raw Materials is well spent.
The main objective is to bring the startups who are making the technology happen and bring it to the market, to discuss in a debate with the policymakers, with the members of the parliament and the industry and the other startups. What are the problems they have to go to market?
For the European citizens, it is important that we have independence, security, and for that you also require technology. So for instance, one of those technologies is photonics. Photonics is, for instance, used in optical fibers, telecom, datacom. So photonics quantum devices ensure that we can have private communications. These technologies, if you don't have them in Europe, if you have to buy them from outside, you're actually not really quite sure what is inside those devices. So for the citizens to have their privacy, it's important that we have and that we master photonics technologies in Europe.
We are going to present how the artificial intelligence is very important for the process industry. So these are industries which are very intensive in the use of energy and resources, and now they need to jump into digitalization, and artificial intelligence is considered for us a great tool to accelerate the innovations we want to deliver to tackle the climate change and the circular economy.
We do generate already a lot of data, and this is of course growing exponentially. And data in research and innovation, materials modeling, how can we accelerate research and innovation with better analysis of all these data that we have, better management of our plant with all the impact it can have on addressing energy efficiency, resource efficiency, so well aligned with high-level European policies. And also, better management of the supply chains, better management of our customers. So really across all the activities in a chemical company, these technologies can help leverage value.
We will organize this year a debate on human control of artificial intelligence, meaningful human control of artificial intelligence.
We are a group of different initiatives in different countries. There's France, there's Sweden, there's Finland, and us in Germany. And we all try to do the same thing. We try to bring AI into application in our countries, but also in Europe. And I think the main message is we only can succeed globally if you collaborate with all different nations in Europe, and that's kind of what we are doing, and that's kind of what we try to bring to people, that we need to collaborate on that in Europe.
People knows that artificial intelligence and big data are very important things, but they're also afraid of Big Brother. So I think that this is the great place where we will find and make this balance which is necessary.